Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make mango sorbet. It is a must-try, refreshing recipe for this particular season. Before getting started, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Kindly do click the bell icon to get updated on our exciting videos. For this recipe, I have taken 2 mangoes. Cut the mangoes into small dices and transfer to an airtight container. Freeze the mangoes overnight. Add the frozen mangoes into a blender and blend to get a smooth paste. The texture of the mango paste should be like this. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and blend. Our mango sorbet mixture is ready. Transfer the mixture to an airtight container and freeze for about 5 to 6 hours. Our mango sorbet is ready to serve.